Viewers, welcome back to the channel Stock Dr. Rara. Let's go ahead and start our analysis of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell 2000, precious commodities, gold, and silver. Before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, I would request you to go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos on this channel. Let's go ahead and see the economic calendar. We are having important data coming on Wednesday, 18th, Fed interest rate decision, which we are waiting from long time, and market has already started giving its reaction before this day is coming. And let's see what the chart is saying to us. So let's go ahead and see the Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 futures are already opened. This is 4-hourly chart. Here we can see Nasdaq 100 on a shorter time frame already did a trend line breakout. Now there is a important support area for the Nasdaq 100, that is between 19,350 to 19,200, and this is the trend line where Nasdaq 100 gave a breakout, and now it is looking for the target of 19,700, 19,850, and 20,000. These three target it is looking for the shorter time frame. If the market likes the Fed rate cut numbers, then definitely you are going to see these targets very soon. If Nasdaq 100 doesn't hold 19,200, then again you are going to see 19,000, 18,780, and if you start going below that, then again you are going to see the level of 18,580 and so on. Looking at this current picture, I think market wants to go and give more upside from here. Then we will talk about Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, right now Dow Jones is standing at very important number. So if you see here, Dow Jones has a very important resistance placed at 41,660. You can see here, it made the high here at the first time. It made high here, and then it went down. Again, it made high here for a few days, and it didn't sustain and then went down. And now it is trying to make high here. So I think this time, if it breaks 41,660 comfortably, then we will see 42,050 and 42,450. Now the downside for the Dow Jones is very at the very lower number, that is like 40,600, like after 1,000 points. Right now it is 41,660. Downside will be there if it starts trading below 40,600 for the number of 40,000 and 39,350. But I'm expecting the upside, the same as what I mentioned in the Nasdaq 100. This is S&P 500. For the S&P 500, the same structure here. You can see S&P 500, it made multiple attempts to break the level of 5,670. You can see here the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, fifth, fourth attempt, and then now it is trying to go here. So for S&P 500, once it cross 5,670 comfortably, then it is going to show the number of 5720, 5770, 5820. Now, when is the downside in S&P 500? If it breaks 5585 and hold below it, then you will see 5545, 5505, and 5450. These are the downside numbers. If we talk about Russell 2000, Russell 2000 is now having a important support area that is between 2185. This is 2185 here and 2140. If you see here, Russell 2000 has broken a trend line resistance and it is set for going to go up. So the first target is 2235, second is 2280. These are the two targets for Russell 2000. Downside will talk only if it starts trading and sustaining below 2140 for the targets of 2110, 2065, and so on. Let's talk about gold. Gold, from very long time, I was talking about gold when it was at $2,000. Now it is trading at 2,600, where we had the uh, target of that. It's achieved that target also, but now it is looking for a more upside, almost 6 to 7% from here, because you see here, this was a channel. It traded in this channel for almost, you can say, 1 month here. 1 month in this channel. Now this channel has broken and now it is going up. So for the gold, the important support area is between 2570 to 2535. If from here it consolidates and come down, then also we will see if it holds 2570, or if it comes down and hold 2535 and start going up, or from here itself it will start going up. We don't know, but it is in a positive or upside trend for the next target of 2700. Downside, we will talk only if it breaks and sustain below 2535, this black line, for the targets of 2515, 2500, 2470. So these are the three downside targets for the gold. We'll talk about silver. Silver is my favorite at this point of time. When it was at 29, I gave the target of 29.50, 30, 30.50, and 31. It achieved all the targets, and now the targets are changed. Now the targets will be, because you can see here on the longer time frame, silver has broken its trend line resistance. Now silver has the support area between 30.70 to 30.10, that is 60.60 cents support area. This 30.70 and 30.10. Now it is looking for the targets of 32, 32.50, 33, 33.50 slowly. And we will talk about downside only if break and sustain below 30.10, then the targets of 29.50 and 29. These are the downside targets, but I'm expecting upside in the both commodities, and in the all four index also I'm expecting the upside, but only the conditional upsides, like as I mentioned, first it needs to cross 19,700 for Nasdaq 100, then you will see the level till 20,000. For Dow Jones, it should cross and sustain above 41,660. Then the upside for S&P 500, it should cross 5670, then the upside. And for Russell, it has already broken of level of 2185. It needs to sustain above it for the targets of 2235 and 2280. This was all about, my friends, today. I hope you understand the levels and definitely will take your investment and the trading decision based on the levels. Levels are very important. So last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one. Bye bye.